I'm Love, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to publish an Android Studio app on Google Play Store. So I will be publishing the Cricket app which we had made recently in the Play Store. So if you want to see how to make that app, then I will put it in the I button on the top right of your screen. You can view it there. So firstly, what we have to do is we have to make sure our app has version. Like firstly, go to project, and then till the Gradle is syncing, let's open Play Console. So we'll search Play Console on Google, then open Google Play Console. So if you haven't created a Play Console account, then it will ask you to log in with your email and then pay $25 to create one, and only one time it will ask. So what we are going to do is we are going to create an app. We'll call it Crick Live Cricket Scores. And this is an app. This is free. And then confirm. Let's create the app. And now what we are going to do is, firstly we'll have to set everything up. So go to Store Presence underneath Grow and click Main Store Listing. Here you have to write everything. So short description, you can write view live scores of cricket games. And here in long description you can write anything up to 4,000 characters. So let me just write a brief. In this app you can view the live scores of any cricket game going on. That's it for now. You can add as much as you want. So now an app icon. So what you can do is search size should be 512 by 512. So in Google you can just search cricket, like just search cricket, and then go to images, make cricket ball for example. Like make sure that it is not copyright claimed, or else they won't allow to use it. So here you can save this image on desktop as anything, just call it cricket icon, and then we'll have to resize this to 512 by 512. So there it is. You can open with Paint or any other application which you want. Make this 512 and then save. And then in Main Store Listing you can upload it. Go to desktop and then upload cricket icon. So while this has come now, so it will look like this on Play Store. Now we'll need to add a feature graphic, which is an image which will help promote, like for example a poster or an advertisement. You can customize yours as much as you want, but for now what I'll do is I'll just change this icon size to a bigger one. So open with Paint. What size is it asking? 1024 into 500. So let's make it exactly that, 1024. We'll make this 500 and then upload the app. And if you have a YouTube video, you can add one over here as well. then we'll have to take like screenshots of it. You can take the screenshot on your phone. So what I'm going to do is I've taken some screenshots of the app, so let me just open it. So here it is. So I can just show you the screenshots. This is one of them. Then this is the second one, the match detail. This is the screen, and then screenshot 4 is the match summary. Then in Google you can just upload all of these icons. Here they are. Open. And then that is enough. You can choose to add tablet as well, but that's not compulsory. You need to add either tablet or on the phone. I've just added the phone one, so you can see the icon got updated there. Now what we have to do is go all the way down to policy. Here go to policy, app content, and here to get the privacy policy, you can use my one also, or you can find any privacy policy on Google and add it to your own. So privacypolicy.php. It is policy.php, not privacypolicy.php. So here is my policy. You can sorry for that. This is my policy. I'll put it in the description as well. You can use this if you want. So now take the full link, copy it, and then add over here and click save. Go back to app content, go to ads, and then no, this app doesn't contain ads, but then you can see if your app contains ad and click yes. And then this is asking that all functionality is available. For some apps in which you can buy memberships and all of that, in that you have to click all or some functionalities restricted. But if it's a free app with no money to be paid anywhere, then you can click on all functionalities available without special access. Then content rating, you'll have to answer a questionnaire. So email address, I'll write my email address over here. Make sure it's your real email address, because they will ask you, they will send you mails when this app will get published. So here what you can do is you can select entertainment or game or something over here as you want. I'll just select entertainment for now. Yeah. Then next, does this app contain violence? You can just answer all of this. Scary, horrifying, no, 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 not any foul language, no, no, it doesn't contain any of that. Does the app allow? So if you're making a chat app, then you have to click yes over here. But if it's not a chat app, you can click no. This, for example, if you're making an Uber app, you can click yes. But if you are not, and you're making a simple app like this, or even if you're making an app in which it stores the users or location, that also you should put as yes. If it's a paid app, put as yes. And then Nazi symbols and Hitler and all of that is not allowed in Germany. So if your app contains those things, make sure you click yes, or else your app may get denied. So save the questionnaire, click next. So you can see what your rating is, and then click submit. Go back to app content, go to do. You can choose all the ages just for this app. You can just select all. Does this contain private and sensitive information? Private, personal and sensitive information include phone numbers, emails, passwords and such things. So no, our app doesn't contain any of that. This you can have to tick, click next. We don't have ads, so we can ignore that. If you want, you can join design for family program and then select a category. But I won't want to join, so I'll click no and then save. So news app, this is not a news app, click save. And yeah, now it's all done. And now what we can do is we can go up to releases overview, and then we'll go to production, not releases overview, and here in countries and regions we'll add all the countries. If you want, you can not allow, for example, if your app contains something against a country, or for example that Nazi thing only, then you will have to deselect Germany and all of that. So you see which countries you want. So I'm adding all of this because nothing bad is there. So now go to Android Studio, open module. So it is opened here. Then here we'll have to add the version. So I've added 1 and 1.0. And then now what we have to do is go to build. So now what we have to do is go to build and then generate signed bundle /apk. So we are going to make an Android app bundle which makes the app smaller in size, and it makes it more easy to use. APK goes to 20-30 MB while AB goes to 4 to 5 MB files. So that's why what we are going to do is we are going to have to create a new key store where we store the key. So key store path, what you have to do is go to your username and then create a new folder called Android key, and then in this you create something. So here I'm going to write click live. So click live scores, this is the name. So here the password, what we can keep is click live. I'm just going to keep it click live, and then name this as upload 1, the alias, and keep this also as click live. Validity years 2.5 is 25 is fine. I'll add my first and last name, organization unit, and then you can just add all your organizations. City, just add everything. State, and then country code, your the phone number code. So my India's is 91. So okay, and then click remember passwords and uncheck export encrypted key. So now click next and then select both and click finish. So now it will be running. So till then, let's open Google. So what we are going to do is we are going to create new release. And then click continue. Now it looks like it's done. 1 second. So guys, it has been successful. So you can locate the release build variant. So click this locate button, and then you can copy this file location. Then go here, make the release name as anything which you want. I'm going to keep it as 1.0.0. Then over here we can just put first version, like version detail. For example, if you're updating the app, then you can write here what the new updates are. Now we are going to upload, and then here paste the file, and then open a app-release.aab. So it will take some time to load. When it will be done, I will come back. So the app has been loaded. Click save, and then review release. There's one error. Okay, let's go to dashboard. Oh, we forgot to select the category. So we have to select a category here, and here you can keep it as sports. The store settings is in store presence. Then here in manage tags, search for cricket. So just search for sports, apply. Email address, put your email address over here again, and then the rest is not needed, and click save. You can check this advertise my app, and then now we go back to production. Edit release, review release, and now there is no error. There is a warning, the app bundle might be obfuscated. This is not important. Then you can just click start rollout to production, and then the app will be published. So after that was the draft app. So this is the real app. When it gets published, what happens is that you can firstly view on Google Play. So this is the link, you can share it with everyone. Then you can update the app by going to production and creating a new release, and then following the same steps as before. But here make sure that you change the version to different from 9.0, like this app is 9.0, and that's it. Your app is published. You can keep on updating it. You can manage the reviews as well by going down, and then coming to quality, and then ratings. You can see 5-star rating has been given. Reviews also, you can see who all have reviewed about your app, and you can reply to them as well if you want. So here are all people, and that's it. So that was the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.